Welcome to the latest job opportunity update from Engineers Connect. A leading company is hiring an IoT engineer with AWS cloud expertise to drive end-to-end IoT solutions development. This role involves designing scalable, secure, and resilient cloud architectures, defining technical roadmaps, and developing serverless AWS IoT APIs for user and device management. Candidates should have 2+ years of AWS back-end development experience, proficiency in IoT Core, Lambda, Kinesis, CDK, Node.js, and microservices architecture, along with strong security and API development skills. If you're ready to work on cutting-edge IoT innovations, comment "interested" to get the application link.